In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video in Notion. Embedding videos directly into your Notion pages is a great way to keep everything in one place, whether you're building a knowledge base, planning a project, or putting together a course. Instead of sending people off to another website, you can let them watch the video right inside your Notion workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that using the latest Notion interface. Start by opening the Notion page where you want your video to appear. This can be any page, a blank page, a meeting notes page, a documentation page, or even a dashboard. Make sure your cursor is on a new empty line where you'd like the video block to go. If there's already text on that line, just press Enter to move to a fresh line. On that new line, type a / followed immediately by the word video with no spaces. So it should look like this, /video. As soon as you type this, you'll see Notion's command menu pop up and highlight the video block option. Once you see that, press Enter. Notion will now insert a video block placeholder on your page. Next, you'll see an area where you can add your video link. Make sure you already have the URL of the video you want to embed. This can be from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and many other video hosting sites that support embedding. Just go to that platform, copy the share link or the video URL from your browser's address bar, and head back to Notion. In Notion, look for the field labeled Embed Link. Click into that field, then paste your video URL. It's important to paste the full link exactly as you copied it, so the video can load correctly. Once your link is in the Embed Link tab, you're ready for the final step. Below the link field, you'll see a button that says Embed Video. Click that button. Notion will process the link for a moment and then display the video player directly on your page. You can click and drag the edges of the block to adjust the width, or move the entire block up or down the page to position it exactly where you want. That's all you need to embed a video in the latest Notion UI. Insert a video block with /video, paste your URL into the Embed Link tab, and click Embed Video.